Sites to write and earn money like. First of all, Medium is an open platform where readers find dynamic thinking, and where expert and undiscovered voices can share their writing on any topic. Yes, you can make money on Medium, but it's a long game. You need to sign up for Medium's partner program to start making money, which is how you earn money when Medium members read your articles. Medium pays by reading time, not per read. So the more people read your stuff. Medium partner program is not supported in Pakistan. However, there are some sketchy ways of doing it which I won't recommend at all. The reason why Medium partner program is not supported in Pakistan is that Medium uses Stripe for payments, and Stripe is also not supported in Pakistan. Substack is an American online platform that provides publishing, payment, analytics, and design infrastructure to support subscription newsletters. It allows writers to send digital newsletters directly to subscribers. Founded in 2017. If you're writing on Substack and considering adding paid subscriptions, this guide will help you develop a successful paid publication. Start by setting goals. Develop a publication strategy. Elevate your publication using design. Grow your free list. Prepare for a successful launch. Grow a paid readership. Number 3. Tumblr is a free microblogging social networking app where users can blog about their ideas and interests via text, photos, quotes, links, music and videos. The blogs are often short form and often include more visual images rather than long text entries. Number 4 is Blogger is an American online content management system founded in 1999 which enables its users to write blogs with time-stamped entries. Labs developed it before being acquired by Google in 2003. Google hosts the blogs, which can be accessed through a subdomain of. The more traffic on your blog, the more revenue you earn. It is very much possible to make between 1 to 10 cents per page view in several blogging niches across display and affiliate ads. Thus, getting up to 1,000 page views per month, you could earn between $10 to $100 every month. Blogger is one of the oldest and most popular blogging platforms in the world. Not only is it free, but it's also very easy to use. It uniquely enables users to connect a custom domain name and includes unlimited storage so users can post as much as they would like. For those looking to build a blog that can earn money, Google AdSense is built in, making it simple to set up banner ads. Granted, that doesn't mean Blogger is the best choice for everyone, so we put it to the test with our hands-on Blogger review to help you decide if it's right for you.